If you play Fortnite or use Epic Games regularly, turning on two-factor authentication is one of the smartest things you can do to protect your account. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on 2FA in Epic Games step by step, so you can secure your login, keep your account safer, and unlock any benefits that require verification. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website or launch the Epic Games launcher if you already have it installed. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your display name. From the menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your Epic account settings, where you can manage your profile, security, and privacy options. On the account page, find the menu on the left-hand side and click Password and Security. This is the section where Epic keeps all of the login and protection settings for your account. Now scroll down until you see the two-factor authentication heading. Here, Epic Games gives you different ways to turn on 2FA, depending on the method you prefer. You may see options like an authentication app, email authentication, or SMS, and you can choose the one that works best for you. To begin, click Setup next to the method you want to enable. If you choose an authentication app, Epic will guide you through connecting an app like Google Authenticator or Authy. If you choose email, Epic will send a security code to your email address, and if you choose SMS, you'll receive a code on your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and enter the verification code when prompted. This step confirms that you really own the account and helps Epic activate two-factor authentication properly. Once the code is accepted, your 2FA will be turned on. At that point, Epic may show a confirmation message telling you that your account is now protected. Take a moment to make sure the setting is enabled before you leave the page. It's also a good idea to check that you still have access to your email or authentication app, because you may need it again the next time you sign in from a new device. And that's it. You've successfully turned on 2FA in Epic Games. It only takes a few minutes, but it adds a big layer of security to your account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.